Great, you're now ready to insert your SIM card. Before we start, to get the full benefits of your Spacetalk Adventurer, you will need to have an active physical SIM. Are you ready? Turn your Spacetalk Adventurer over so that the underside of the watch is facing up. On the back of the watch, find the SIM cover. Use something small like a paper clip or a pen lid. Gently pry the cover until it pops open. Now insert your SIM card. Make sure the gold contact is facing up and the cut corner aligns. Now press the SIM cover back into the watch. Make sure the two triangles align on the top left corner of the SIM cover. Lastly, double-check that the SIM cover is flush with the back of the watch. To do this easily, try using a flat object like a credit card to push the cover closed. Well done! You've just inserted your SIM and you're now ready to start pairing your watch. Next, you should check out the How to Pair video. This shows how to connect the Spacetalk watch to your app. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.